Hey guys, today I got a pickup from the House of Hoops at Foot Locker, and as you know from the title, it's a sneaker that came out today in February. Now before I get into the sneaker, which is right here upside down, I do want to point out that it's probably a good idea, or it might be a good idea, for you to subscribe to my channel. As you can see here, I got interesting shoes. And usually, when I have enough space on my memory card, they're shot in 4K, like today. So as you can see, it's a conventional black and gold box, and you know what sneaker it is by the title, so I'm not gonna say. Gold ring right here, I like that a lot. Really nice clean box. Pretty fragile, already there's some damage in the corner. They came out today. Pretty disappointing if you ask me. Remove the lid. You see a beautiful pattern inside here. It's just gorgeous. Let's see if I can get it in focus. There we go. There's lots going on. There might be some cultural references that I couldn't point out because I'm not close to knowledgeable enough, but it's quite gorgeous. If anyone knows what I'm looking at here, please let me know in the comment section below. As you know, this is a Jordan product. It's quality inspired by the greatest player ever, like other Jordan products. Red inside, this is quite gorgeous too if you ask me. So, while we unbox, let's get this whole sneaker in view. More of this gorgeous wrapping paper inside. Get that in focus. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. The Jordan 6 Chinese New Year 2018 sneaker. Quite a gorgeous shoe. Lots of beautiful colors, black, red, gold, gold up here, Jordan sign right here. It's gorgeous. A lot of that same pattern you see here coming across on this paper. And it's a very exciting sneaker. It's extremely flashy. Conventionally, I don't know very many Jordan 6s that are dark and flashy, so I think that's what makes this sneaker very special. Of course, there's quite a lot of beautiful, beautiful stuff going on. All this intricate work right here. I'm not sure if this is like handmade. It's probably not handmade, I'm just kidding. Beautiful Jordan Air logo right here. Let's bring it up to the camera so you guys can see just how gorgeous it is. Quite a lot of detail went into these little gold flowers here. Gold Jordan sign right here. Gold lace holder machine over here. Quite a gorgeous sneaker if you ask me. As usual, there's going to be an on-foot review as well. Here's the other pair before we get into that. Both these sneakers together, I think they're relatively symmetrical if you ask me, in case you were wondering. Maybe we'll unbox the packaging in case there's some interesting stuff I can show you guys. This might take some time considering how well they pack these shoes these days and how tightly they're tied. Ooh, would you look at that? There's a black Jordan sign on the red sole of the sneaker. Quite gorgeous. Nothing else too impressive inside the shoe to show you. Moving on to the next pair. Maybe there's something different inside. You know, I do think that if they had applied this beautiful pattern on the interior of the shoe, the owners would be able to enjoy it a lot more when they're putting it on. But that's just something extra they might be able to add in the future. The other thing that's missing on these Jordans is usually this is perforated leather right here. Whose phone is that? Anyway, this is not perforated. There are no holes here. It's just a little padding box here. And for now, I'm just gonna throw them on and you'll have to see how they look on my feet. I would strongly suggest checking them out in stores if you like sixes and if you like black, gold, and red colorway. I know these are the Chinese New Year edition, as you see in the title, and they're pretty fly. So just gotta loosen them up here, because it is quite difficult to put on these Jordan 6s. In the past, I have learned the hard way. I've taken way too long to put them on. Partly a reason I don't wear 6s. A lot of the reasons I buy my shoes is how long it takes me to put them on. If it takes too long, you're not gonna wear them. So you don't buy them, in my opinion. This was much quicker than expected. It's a little looser than the last Gatorade 6 I tried on, I think. But these are different sneakers, so they must be different in some respects. Here we are, we're gonna loosen up this other sneaker here. And let's go for it. All right, sneakers are on. On foot, they're gorgeous. There's no denying the fact that these shoes are pretty fly. Super sharp into 4K quality that I'm providing you guys. This is shot on a Canon 5D Mark IV, in case anyone was wondering. Some interesting little suede quality right here. Not sure what this material is, but I think it's nice. Beautiful sneaker. 330 Canadian dollars plus tax. All in all, I like it quite a lot. Maybe we'll get some zoomed out on-foot views so you have some better context of how they look when you're not so close up to them. Because close up, these shoes are off the chain. And now looking from above, staring right down at my feet, I must admit, they look pretty good from up here as well. As you can see from a little bit further away, they're even more attractive. You can see how each and every detail of the sneaker shines bright, and it makes me want to think you guys will want a pair too. So if I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'll consider giving away a sneaker. Honestly, I'll probably give away a sneaker. I'm not sure which one, but if you guys want this one bad enough, maybe I'll consider giving it away. But you gotta remember, I need 1,000 subscribers first. See, another thing I want to point out about the shoe, to make you want it even more and subscribe, is that this air unit right here makes it pretty fly. It makes it pretty classic as a sneaker, and it makes me happy, I'll be honest. This is probably one of my favorite Jordan 6s to ever come out. It's quite special. There's a lot of beautiful things going on I can't explain. In 4K, they look great on my monitor that I'm staring at right now. So hopefully on your monitor, they're just as good. Thanks for watching. My phone is ringing and I've got to go. Goodbye. Before I go, I thought I'd show you this sneaker super close in 4K. As you can see, there's quite a lot of gorgeous work on the sneaker. In gold and red, this is the Jordan sign, heel tab, beautiful gold flowers, red flowers. I'm sorry if that's not a flower, I don't really know very much about what's on the sneaker. I just know it's beautiful. that's all. The front of the sneaker, Jordan logo. And pretty awesome shoe if you ask me. I'm pretty sure my opinion's clear enough, considering how many times you've heard it in the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Please remember I might be giving away a sneaker when I hit 1,000 subscribers. And if you guys want it bad enough, I'd probably consider giving these away. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the 7th time in the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.